preserve and protect.
Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh welcomed the suggestion to have consultation with all stakeholders, Meghalaya State Investment Promotion Facilitation Act 2024. The Investment Promotion Facilitation Act will allow the Meghalaya Authority to buy land and lease the same to private investors. Speaking to reporters, Lyngdoh said that the act is a policy which was tabled in the Assembly and it was passed by the House. He believed that the process of consultation will help to rectify and further improve the policy. Recently, KHADC passed a resolution asking the state government to seek views of stakeholders before implementing the Meghalaya State Investment Promotion and Facilitation Act 2024, with UDP MDC Titos Tarwell Khan being a vocal supporter for greater consultation with autonomous district councils.
MEIPP, Meghalaya Economic and Investment Promotion Policy, kedai ke policy bala raha assembly bala menjeru dah house. Te kan ke jing create ya kini ke land bank nak ke benda ke development, kedai ke bumi nak kata ke policy. Kini ke proses ban consult lang nasno kataru ke nirap. Kemudian ke ba khadu ke balong final buat ke Constitution juga India bala shimba kedai ke ba ini ke ba bidu buat ke Constitution ke ba jerong du hak pertai ladap amen palat yesis paksin de ke AP ke balong final hak sencar kadar.